Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm really excited because I just got this Funko Foxy. Okay, can you turn the lights on so they can see it better?
Are you ready? Because it's about to be blinding.
Okay, that's a little lighter. Okay, this is Funko Foxy. Really? The phone battery is 15%, but I'm going to be unboxing him. That's just a cookie box, so I can get it with 2 hands. Now there's tape right here. I don't want to, well, I want to damage the box, but I want to make this quick so the battery doesn't die. And I have to do this all over. No, you can't do that. Okay. Now, open. Oh, he feels so good, honestly. Oh yeah, so soft. Foxy. And I'm going to start recording with these plushies. Look at the hook. Shing, shing, shing. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye.